which one of the following functions is 1 to 1. First one, it is given f from r to r given by f of x is equal to mod of x minus 1. Second function, g from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 to r given by g of x is equal to mod of sin x for all x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And h is a function from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to r given by h of x is equal to sin x for all x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And pi from r to r given by f of x is equal to x square minus 4 for all x belongs to r. So let's solve this question by using graph. With the help of graph, let us find whether the function is 1 to 1 or not. And do remember, by horizontal line test, if a line drawn parallel to x-axis cuts the graph at exactly one point, so that the given function is 1 to 1. If it cuts more than one point, the function is not 1 to 1. Okay, see the first graph. F of x is equal to mod of x minus 1 for all x belongs to r real numbers. So if I can take the graph of this part, and if I can draw one line parallel to it, so it cuts at 2 points, means it more than one point I can say, so that we can say that this is not a 1 to 1, not 1 to 1. And coming to the second one, g of x is equal to mod of sin x, and from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So if I take the graph, so sin x graph can be taken from 0 to 1, again minus 1 to 1 to minus 3, that is plus minus 1 to plus 1, the graph lies. And the mod of sin x will be, even the negative shade will come to positive. I mean, this is how we'll get. And it is in between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So this is pi by 2 and this is minus pi by 2. To r. So we can see very clearly from this part minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So if I draw any line parallel to x-axis, it cuts at more than one point. So we can say this function is also not 1 to 1. Okay. And if I can see the third function, h of x is equal to sin x, same from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So sin x graph, this is 1 and minus 1, 0, and this is pi by 2 and this is minus pi by 2. So we want from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. From minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So if I can draw any line parallel to x-axis, we can observe that anywhere you draw the line parallel to x-axis, it cuts at only one point. It cuts at maximum one point, so that we can say that this function is 1 to 1. So we can confirm this is 1 to 1, that is h of x is 1 to 1 function. Let's also check the fourth option. So fourth option, it is given x square minus 4, this is the pi of x. Pi of x is given x square minus 4, and if I can draw the graph of this, So x square minus 4, by taking x is equal to 0, you will be getting minus 4. So this is the point. And x square minus 4 is equal to 0 for x is equal to plus or minus 2. So I can take this as plus minus 2 and plus 2. So the graph can be taken. This is how the graph. Okay. And the domain and range given from real numbers to real numbers. So very clearly we can say that here if a line is drawn parallel to x-axis, it cuts more than one point, and hence we can say this function is also not one-to-one. So among the four options, we can just confirm that third one, that is h of x is equal to sin x from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 is a only one-to-one function, and hence we can give this answer, third option. Okay.